Guys, this is the new arrival. The white gold Patek Philippe 5230G, world time. I've never seen one in the white gold before, so this is a first for me. Obviously on the black leather band, got the Patek buckle at the back, which is lovely. It's really nice. I've held the rose gold one before. A good client of ours had it. I always thought it was a stunning piece, and we finally got this one in. So we took this at a part exchange, just arrived this morning. You've actually got 24 different time zones on this watch, and you've got a day and night indicator. It sits really nice on the black leather as well. I'm not too sure if we're going to keep this one or sell it, because I know Judd's had his eye on it for a little while. But no, it's really, really nice. Glad we've got one in. I'll be able to wear it for a little while. But no, it's a real nice piece. Comment below whether you think that we should keep it or that we should sell it.